camera now to play around with and do different things with. I am considering using that, taking that out of this space. Yeah, passenger train, the doubled up passenger train. I'm considering taking this camera out of this space and putting it into the review space to make reviewing more efficient, quicker, easier, etc. AFOL has complained their expensive set comes with stickers. Gundam Bros will complain of lack of decals and a more expensive set. Yup. It's a totally different thing. As soon as you get outside of the world of Lego,
super
within
easy,
modeling,
barely an inconvenience.
model making, it's like stickers, decals. Yes, please. I want the details. I want to have the option to make this as detailed and realistic as possible. Yeah. Newbie Warhammer Bro wants to paint their own designs. Do Pacific Islander tattoo designs by hand with a single hairbrush. Except Kyle is fine with Lego stickers. All right. Well, you're weird, and you're not a true Lego fan. If you were, you would not be okay with these things. Oh wow. I have always wanted to raid this guy. The last time I said something like that, I was too slow. Oh no. I hope he's not about to end. No, he's still going. All right. I'm gonna raid us over quickly to somebody I've been wanting to raid for quite some time. Last time, like I said, that I said something like that, by the time I went to raid them, they were gone, and that was a different person. So I'm gonna get on this one. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. This is a professional artist, a prolific professional artist who has done things for Marvel and DC both, I believe.
Oh, thanks, Jay. Appreciate that.
So he's legit. Somebody who
thanks, Jay.
we have not
Appreciate
rated before. I want to get on that. Send some love his way. Send him
Thank
some
you very
props.
much for that. Jang,
Send him some
sure
follows.
Amaranth is very appreciative.
Right here.
Thanks, Jang. Appreciate that.
Be sure to give him a follow. Thank you very, very much, everybody.
Oh, thanks, Jay.
For being here.
Appreciate that.
Thank you very much for that. Jang, sure Amaranth is very appreciative.
Almost.
Thanks, Jang.
Appreciate you being good to one another. Appreciate you being good to me. Appreciate you being patient. And I will get this thing reviewed hopefully within the next week. It's going to take some work. This and the passenger trains. And then I will not be streaming. I should not be streaming tomorrow. Sweet. He's not ending it. I should not be streaming tomorrow because I need to be doing offline stuff.
Thank you very much for that. Jang, I'm sure Amaranth is very appreciative.
Sorry, I got two things going into my head. Please continue to be good to one another. Spread positivity.
Oh, thanks,
Reject
Jay.
negativity. Reject hate. Have open minds. Be willing to interact with people who don't necessarily agree with every single thing that you believe in. Hear people out. Respect people's differences. Recognize that we're all just human beings. We're all the same color on the inside. We all start out as a couple of cells. You know, we're all the same species. Have fun with your hobbies. Do your hobbies how you want to. And don't let anybody tell you to have fun any way that you don't want to. As long as you're not impinging upon anybody else's freedom and fun, it's all good. Take care, everybody. Spread some love over to a true professional artist. I'll see you soon.